Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg F33 335D. The vehicle is presented in the Estrel Blue, features a wide array of fantastic BMW options as well as the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. So as you can see there, it also comes with the 20-inch 666 competition style alloys, and behind those wonderful wheels you will see the M Sport Plus brakes on this car. We do have the full M Sport Plus package as well. Back to the front, you can see the LED headlights the car also comes equipped with. Down the side we've got the gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and another feature of the Plus package is of course the sun protection glazing you can see there on the rear windows. We added the gloss black mirror caps as well. Inside we've got a really nice contrasting full Oyster Dakota leather, heated electric lumbar front seats, an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which is going to of course work extremely well with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. In terms of the seating for rear passengers, there's a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest of course, and the darkened M Sport headlining, which has to be said, it works extremely well with that contrasting lighter interior colour. Before heading to the back of the car, we'll again show you off those wonderful 20-inch alloys, and we've gone for the high gloss rear boot spoiler on this car and then the satin rear diffuser. And if you've not yet had a chance to see the boot space for the F33, as you can see there, it's a very large boot space, all clean and tidy in there, and does of course come with the genuine BMW floor mats. Round onto the driver's side now, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and as you can see for yourselves now, everything's working really well. Those additions we had really help this car stand out even further. Inside the vehicle we've got a wide array of other features which we'll get through now, beginning with the BMW Business Navigation and Media Screen. Being a facelift model, it does come with a few extras, including the Connected Drive Plus, as you can see there. So that does also include online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google. It's a great way to ensure you're connected whilst out and about, and it does mean you can search for things whilst on the go. It does save you having to pull over to use your mobile device safely and in the correct way. In terms of the sat-nav system, as you can see, that's a real easy thing to use. It does also have real-time traffic updates, Bluetooth telephone and audio, and we've also got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including DAB, USB and AUX. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with the switches for our front heated seats. And if we go through, we can take a look at the service requirements and service history for this 335D. The next oil service isn't due for 8,000 miles time, and up at service history, as you can see there, we've got full BMW history. The current mileage for the vehicle is just over 45,000. Comes with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and of course the paddles to control that wonderful 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So for further information on the car, if you look down below the video into the description, you'll see a link to our website. From there you can of course find out more about the car, including all of the prices and funding options that are of course available. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this walk around. From us all here, we do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful, and we shall of course look forward to seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.